Ajagbe. This very beautiful Oriki has the exact same meaning as Ajamu. Let us do a breakdown of the name. Ajagbe. Two main words in that name, the verbs ja and be. Ja means to fight, to contend for, to struggle for something. But be, what does that one mean? It literally means to carry, to lift something, to hoist something. We have it in names like Olugbenga, Olagbeinro, and what have you. So bringing it all together, what does Ajagbe mean? The A that starts that name is a noun maker whose meaning could be said to be he who. Now, he who does what? And Ajagbe is he who shall fight and carry away the prize or the spoil. Ọmọ tí ó jà gbé nǹkan ribiribi, Ajagberu. This child shall fight in life, but shall not fight to be defeated. He shall fight and end up becoming more than a conqueror. He shall fight and take the prize. And Ajagbe is a winner. So instead of giving my child the word winner as a name, I can give that child Ajagbe, because whatever is thrown at that child will fight it and carry away the prize. This child will fight a war and take away the spoils. Just like Ajamu, he who fights and takes away the prize. And Ajagbe is a fighter, a winner, a conqueror. This child shall fight and then carry the glory. Wàá Ṣere.